Did you know that icons on your desktop help you open programs in just one click? Today we will learn what desktop icons are and how to use them. Hello everyone, welcome back to our Windows Learning series. In today's video, we will understand desktop icons in Windows and how they help us quickly open programs, files, and folders. Desktop icons are small pictures on the computer screen. These icons act as shortcuts that help you open programs or files quickly without searching for them. Icons represent different things in the computer. What can you do with Windows? Desktop icons can represent. When you right-click on desktop screen and go to View option, here you will see some features for Manage Desktop Icons. You can manage icon size, auto range, and you show and hide option also. Sometime you will not see any icons on the screen, no worry, just got to show desktop icon, click on it. You will see all icons there. There's some important icons which not show on desktop screen by default. Need to right click and go to personalize, click on themes, then click on desktop icon setting. We'll see uncheck icon, just check mark and apply, then OK. Now these icons will be on desktop screen. Also can change icon. 1. Software applications, for example, Chrome, Microsoft Word, or Photoshop. 2. Files, documents, images, videos, or PDF files. 3. Folders. Folders store multiple files in one place. 4. System tools. These are important system features of Windows. To move a desktop icon, click on the icon. Hold the mouse button. Drag the icon to a new location. Release the mouse button to drop it. You can create file using right-click on the desktop, go to New and select File. I am selecting TXT file. I am deleting this folder or file and it will move in recycle bin. If you deleted by mistake, you can restore from there. Just go to recycle bin and select your file and select Restore. To open an icon, move the mouse pointer to the icon. Double-click the icon using the left mouse button. The program or file will open. So today we learned what desktop icons are and how to use them. For quick icon size manage, just select icon and hold Control button and move mouse while up and down for increase and decrease icon size. When you right-click on desktop and click on view, you will see shortcut key for icon, manage. In the next video, we will learn about the Start menu in Windows and how it helps you find programs quickly. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.